Okay, you'll notice in this question that the coefficient of the x squared is not 1. So to do this question, we've got to do a slightly different method. First thing we need to do is look at the 4, so the number before the x squared, the coefficient, and the number term, and all you need to do is just times them together. So 4 times 15, well 2 times 15 is 30, so 4 times 15 is 60. So 60 becomes the target number to find a factor pair that add together to make plus 16, and that's what we're trying to do. So I can try 1 and 60, well that's going to make 61 when you add them together. So 2 and 30, so that's 32, 3 and 20, and we're getting close but we're not quite there yet. So we know it's 4 and 15, so let's try those don't work. 5 and 12, 5 plus 12, that is 17, so we're really close. So 6 and 10, 6 and 10, that makes 16. So we know that we're looking for 6 and 10. Now what we want to do is just rewrite the question, so 4x squared, but instead of the plus 16 there, what we want to do is split that up into plus 6x plus 10x. Now 6x plus 10x is 16x, so we know that we haven't changed anything, but we got those numbers from down here. Now by doing this, and I'm just going to copy down the plus 15 because that's also part of the question, by doing this it allows us to see this question as two little questions. This question here, factorise this, and this question here, factorise this. So let's do the first green square. So they're both in the 2 times table and they both have an x, so I'm going to factorise 2x, and that would leave 2x plus 3. And looking at these ones, well they're both in the 5 times table and only one of them has an x, so I can't divide out an x, so it would be 2x plus 3 when I've done that. Now you'll notice that these two brackets here are the same. Now these have to be the same for this method to work. If you've got a different one, then maybe you've made a mistake somewhere, so just go back and check you're working out. So to create the answer, I look at this number here and this number here, okay, the two coefficients of the brackets, and I put them together in their own little bracket. And then I look at the two underlined with red ones, and I just write it once. And that is our answer. 2x plus 5, brackets, 2x plus 3. Now you can expand this if you've got time in the exam, and you will find that it does make 4x squared plus 16x plus 5.